You want it?
No!
Yeah, let me get in there. Let me get in there.
Every game, Kobe. Every game.
What's going on, Jess?
I'm in. Just know that.
That's not the content you're trying to get, bro.
No. Oh yeah, Lil. Oh yeah, Lil. Go crazy. Lil Reap, you gonna get in the shower or what? You gonna get in the shower or what, okay? Rook, turn your stuff in, Rook. Turn your loop in.
I didn't even start eating.
Oh, say what's up to the people. There it is.
We out here dominating.
Yeah.
About to eat a little pizza.
Yeah.
We gonna catch the vibe tomorrow night.
Yep.
We gonna head back to the rack.
Yep.
And then camp over now.
Hello. Got a good camp.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Cody, what they got over there?
Pepperoni.
Little pepperoni. Let me get some content. Oh yeah, let me see what that. I like that right there. Oh yeah, Bobby. What you got on today? What you got on today, man?
Freeze, a little Smokey the Bear.
Ooh.
Chill, don't.
Ooh, go crazy. Go crazy. And here's a specialist, Mr. Automatic and Patty Skill. Hi. Hi, guys. Kramer.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah, I'm ops today. Oh, you ain't gonna order? You don't want to talk no more? I like the swag. He said he's trying to be so cute. Let me see the chain. Want to see these good walk through there? Oh yeah, a little stroke. What we got going on, man? I know 6 in the cut. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wear a little drip to the walk.
Wear a little drip. We got a little gallery department on. We got. Go out. Say what's up to the people now. Say what's up to the people.
Got old dog man in the vid. Got T Chisel in the vizzle. That's that from the A to the Shy to the Indiana. Carmel, Indiana. Make sure you say the Carmel. I hope I'm saying it right. Ain't it Carmel? Carmel. I say caramel, but you know, that's probably a different word, right? Look at this baby kid. This baby kid right here. This behind the scenes of the walkthrough. Day in the life. We got the head man, our chill man. What's up, Coach? Say what's up, Coach.
This is old school.
This is old school.
Oh, get out of the way. 6 Light, Sister Den Dilly.
Feel me? Shit. Gonna get real
What you
nitty-gritty.
got? Let me see what you got in there.
Like, you know what I'm
Chicken
saying? Some
parm.
broccoli, chicken parm, spaghetti, garlic breast, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't mad at that. Go crazy. Just, I ain't gonna lie to you, the grape juice still the best juice in the world. Oh, go crazy. Yeah, go crazy. Oh yeah, Mr. Comet.
What's you in this video, bro?
Oh, back with the camera.
I'm back with the vibes for sure. All right, and we got the specialist. Yes, sir.
Hi, Jaylon.
Mr. Automatic himself. Yes, sir. Go Bears.
This is homemade.
You have a seat, buddy? Run out of rolls here.
Chill, man.
Look at you, Bob.
See it.
Let me see
Roof
that.
open. Good vibes. Good air.
Go crazy, yeah. Yeah, let me see the shirt. Let me see the shirt. Let me see the shirt.
man.
Okay, go crazy. What does it say on the back? What does it say on the back? What does it say on the back? There it is. Kicking the stigma. There it is, baby.
Yeah, kicking the stick.
Hey! What's happening, gang? Oh yeah, hello, man. One more time. Lil, what you want to do? Y'all boys gonna put the thing down? Y'all not gonna put the divider up?